we are from the media. Can you just say something about yourself?
Of course. Hello everyone, I am Arman from Turkey Kadir Has University. Actually, I'm representative of Kadir Has University, one of the best private university located in Istanbul. We are offering so many different things. We are offering totally different education model, and of course we are offering really good scholarship opportunities for Pakistani students. We already have so many different Pakistani students in Kadir Has University, and they are always welcome. So we are here to get new ones.
How do you feel the students get the opportunity for job after they qualify studies?
Actually, after graduation part, it depends on you. Please don't get me wrong, but first you have to show yourself to the professors and to the the academic part and the career part. We have our own career centers, so they have already different. They have so many different opportunities for internship and for job opportunities. But first, you have to show yourself. If you can do that, believe me, you will be able to find a job easily after your graduation. Of course, there might be a really high chance, but it depends on you. If you are not planning to do anything extra, unfortunately, you won't be able to get it. But if you are planning to do something extra for this, you will be able to get it easily.
Thank you very much.
Always welcome.